Tesla truck though, they might.
Ooh, the Tesla truck. I'd be blessed to get hit with a Tesla truck. A fucking rhombus on wheels.
I ordered one. I pre-ordered one.
We think it should be
rhombus
called
on
the
wheels.
Rom Bus. Because it works, bro.
Did you hear why it's shaped that way?
Because they relied
can't-
on a fourth grader to draw the fucking concept for it. And you're just like,
They went to a geometry class. Someone drew a
wheels on a
triangle on
fucking
it.
hexagon.
No, it's
No,
because
they can't cut it because it's like what kind of it's
the steel
right. It's like
makes it
steel,
impossible
stainless
to
steel,
bend and
they
put
can't
in
bend
a
it.
design other than
Yeah.
polygonal.
I hated
shapes.
it at first. I think it's dope.
It's sick.
Are you guys a fan of the truck?
I think it's cool. They got a lot of pre-orders.
200K, over 200K now.
200,000?
Yeah.
$20 million, right? Because it's $100 to
$100
to
to
pre-order.
secure it,
I
yeah.
wonder how many people will follow up with that. You think all like
I
percentage?
think quite a few, man.
You're a numbers guy.
I don't know. I just think it was funny because like so many people were just like, just bought the new Tesla truck,
No,
and like
no,
hella
you
people were
didn't.
like flexing on Instagram, dude. It's like $100.
It's $100
dude.
to get
Yo,
it.
but my thing on it too is like,
That's smart though on their end.
hell yeah,
So smart.
it kind of because they have their like confirmation and shit. But it looks like one of those things where it's like, you know, those like really like fashion forward things that happen, and people are just like, it's only because of the hype that they buy it. Like somebody's like their dress to the Met Gala is really like a raincoat with like human heads dangling off the
Yeah,
bottom of it. And they're
yeah.
like, oh my God, Jared Leto fucking smashed this one. But it's only because it was Jared Leto and Virgil worked on
and
it.
you can never wear it again.
Yeah,
One
like I
of
feel
one.
like people are just like, yo, you know what? Like cars are cool, aerodynamics are cool, but fucking I'm buying a hexagon on wheels,
Yeah.
bro. Like only because everybody else is fucking.
I'm about it.
They also built an electric ATV. It's like the little brother of the truck, and
Yeah.
it's very cool.
I saw that.
I would love to get that.
I said one way to spice up the Rhombus is to put a 50 cal on top of it because it looks like that.
It looks like it needs it.
You know what
Yeah.
it looks like is a warthog from Halo.
Yes. Yeah.
really
Oh my
does.
God, yeah.
If you put a turret on top,
a big
it's
50
chilling.
cal turret, dude. Like they should have that as like an add-on. Like you know how you could
100%.
add on, you could buy the 1 engine, 2 engine, 3 engine. They should do 3 engine plus 50 cal machine gun.
plus turret.
Is there a chance? I hate to be this guy. Is there a chance that the truck actually doesn't exist and Elon just uses this as a quick scheme to raise like 20 mil?
$100,
Quick 20 mil?
100%. I said $100, 100%. That's how much it costs. But yeah, definitely, bro.
I don't think so. Because have you seen the video of it?
The only reason I asked,
literally
bro-
pulling an F-150 uphill.
That was insane. That was insane.
That was
Dude,
crazy.
I think it's because since it's a battery, it's an electric vehicle. The battery is incredibly heavy, and the truck, the pickup truck, stood no chance.
Yeah.
But the reason I ask is because I don't know how to say this. Where is the Tesla Roadster that was going to come out in 2020? Have we
Did-
heard anything about this? Where is
Was it supposed to come out
where's
in
the
2020?
electric semi truck that is supposed to come out next year? Jake pre-ordered it.
Yeah.
Well,
By the
hold on,
way,
it's
for
not 2020 yet, is it?
25,000. It's not, but I've heard the Tesla Roadster is being pushed another year.
Oh, really?
And I'm assuming
I think a lot of it comes back to the gigafactories that they're making. I think it like takes
Yeah, what's
more
good with
time
those
than expected.
gigafactories?
I don't know, bro. It's taking time.
It's whack.
If you're
dude.
building an electric car company, you
Time's
gotta-
not
you gotta put
something
time
we
into it.
have all that much of, bro, because people are killing the earth with koala bears are burning. I don't know.
oh yeah, the
But there's
koala
like a lot
bears.
of death going on. Like Elon's got to hurry it the fuck up and
Yeah,
get
he
us our
does.
fucking giga
Yeah,
trucks.
he's got to get his shit together.